My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy Plus for the month of January. I didn't renew my Ipsy Ultimate. I canceled it, but I ended up getting off the wait list for the BoxyCharm Premium, so it kind of worked out for me. So if you would like to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I feel like I'm about to run for president with this hair. Oh no, you know what I feel like? I feel like I'm a blonde version of like Agent Scully from the X Factors. Gillian Anderson. I used to love that show. Let me know what you guys think I look like down in the comments. I am interested to hear. Alright, so let's get into this. It's similar to the regular Ipsy bag, but bigger, and I am obsessed with this marble design. I am loving it. Plus, it's pink inside. Like, it doesn't get much better than that for me. So the first product is this Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. And it hydrates intensely, firms and brightens, decreases puffiness. I am pretty sure that I have used this product before. The only thing is the packaging was different, so I don't know if they like just repackaged it, but I remember really liking this eye serum. So this is a retail value of $58. Okay. The next product is this Nature's Cartel lipstick in Gin and Platonic. That's a cute name. I don't know if I'm gonna like, okay, it says, here it is, the perfect pink. This universally flattering rose color lipstick boasts a creamy, non-drying formula that feels as comfy as a balm on lips. Okay. The perfect pink. Does that look pink to you guys? I mean, I know I have like bad eyes, but that's not looking very pink to me. Yeah, and I'm not going to swatch it either because I'll put it for a giveaway or something. But this retails for $15. The next product is this Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in I'll Be Back. Okay. I mean, I actually think I got a full-size liquid liner in Ipsy Plus last month, the Illamasqua one. So, I mean, I'm really good on liquid liner right now, so I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but yes. Okay, the next product is this Nowers Skin Meditation Gel Cream. Fluctuating hormones can make your skin super sensitive. Luckily, this soothing gel cream is here to help chill it out. It's loaded with cooling peppermint oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid to give you soft, dewy skin at every stage of your monthly cycle. So this retails for $36. Okay. A lightweight, soothing gel cream that keeps temperamental skin under control. Oh, so it's 1.69 ounces. Okay. I'm actually interested to try that. And the last product, I already have, but I just think it's awesome that it's in here. The HUDA Beauty Obsessions Palette in Amethyst. So this retails for $27, and you know what? I'm just gonna do a quick giveaway right now. So if you would like to win this HUDA Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, which it's hands down like probably my favorite of the Precious Stones collection, which included like the amethyst, the emerald, the ruby. Like out of those, it's like my favorite one. It is just so gorgeous. So yeah, this is US only. You have to be 18 in order to enter or have your parents' permission, you have to be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and then tag a friend in any one of my Instagram pictures. But I will put like all the specifics down in the description box below. I will announce the winner in 2 weeks, so the exact date I will have down below. But yeah, and then just comment on this video letting me know anything. So yeah, that's the entire box. I don't know if I said it or not, but the price of the eyeliner is $11.99. So let's see what the total retail is. This is probably like the least impressive of the Ipsy Plus boxes that I've gotten, to be honest. I do like the eye serum. The lipstick I'm not a big fan of. I mean, the eyeliner is nice, but I like literally just got one. I'll have to try the gel cream. I think it's awesome that this palette is in here, even though I do have it. But let's see. So the total retail value for this box is $147.99. And I mean, I can't complain. Like, just this palette alone is worth the price of this box. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.